Hey everyone, welcome back to the tutorial series, and in this video we're going to learn how to schedule WooCommerce upsell offers during festive seasons. Through the Checkout Upsell plugin, we can schedule campaigns in advance or set validity to each campaign. In this video, we're going to see how to create a campaign and activate it only on Black Friday. But before we get into the video, please make sure you install the plugin, and if you're wondering how to install the plugin, then you will find a detailed installation guide and the purchase link below in the description. Please feel free to check it out. After we have successfully installed the plugin, you'll be able to go to your WordPress dashboard and find Checkout Upsell here. To create campaigns, you'll have to go to the Campaigns tab and click on Create New Campaign and choose the campaign type to be any of your choice, but I'm going to be selecting pre-purchase just for this video, and I'm going to name this campaign a BFCM deal. We all know that BFCM is Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and this week is one of the busiest weeks on sales, and hence let's go add an offer. By clicking on this add offer button, I'm going to choose a product called sunglass and set the discount type to percentage 50%. All right, leaving the quantity empty means the customers can buy any quantity of their choice. All right, that is it. This is a very simple campaign. However, you can alter it according to your needs. You could also choose a different campaign type in order to schedule those campaigns. Now let me click on add offer, where we have finalized the offer product. You could also go for a conditional campaign if you want, but then comes the important step, which is scheduling the campaign. Now to schedule this campaign, we will have to go to the right. Here you'll be able to find something called schedule, and here you can enter the start date and end date of this particular campaign. Let's assume this week is going to be the Black Friday and Cyber Monday week, and hence I'm going to select from today until next Tuesday for a week. All right, so I'm basically scheduling this campaign in advance. So after I save and close this particular campaign, you'll be able to notice something like this. That is all. Scheduling campaigns is pretty easy, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching.